Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. Welcome to Trendlines Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do
daily analysis.
Ladies and gentlemen, on today's video, we're gonna start with our favorite instrument, NASDAQ100, and we are on for our lead time frame. I hope you guys are able to see my watermark right there. Anyway, let's move on and be able to have a good or clear idea of what will happen during the opening session. Ladies and gentlemen, our NASDAQ used to be this bullish index. You know, when we look at those indices, we will always think of NASDAQ and US30. They are bullish indices, but when we are but at the present moment, I can tell you that our NASDAQ has changed the pattern. I hope all traders at the present moment they are aware of that, because we've been selling for quite some time. So let's see our price. Let's push closer to our price and be able to analyze and see where are we, which channel, or were we bullish in the bigger bearish channel, or are we still we broke out of the channel. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see this 200 indicator, 200 SMA indicator is showing us that we are now going bearish. As you can see, it has this U-turn. Now we are going towards the downside. Ladies and gentlemen, look at our 21 SMA. This is another indicator, the one in blue. I hope you can see it. I'm using it to confirm whether I'm on a trade or I'm on a consolidation. So whenever it's above the chart, whenever it's above our graph, like for example here, you can see it's above and it was above the chart, that tells me that our channel is trending towards the downside. So whenever it's below, like for example, let me move to the previous ones, so you can see it was below our graph. This blue indicator, it shows that we were bearish. So I'm using it as our support and resistance. Even if I use trend lines, sometimes I also use these indicators to help me out. Ladies and gentlemen, look at our trend where it is at the moment, where it's currently at. We can see that our trend is bearish. Look at our overall movement. This is what I'm trying to do for us to be able to be. Let me use the line chart so that you can be precise with the touches around the trend line. So you can see, ladies and gentlemen, that we are still in this type of bearish chart. You can tell by how our price has been making this type of moves that we are very bearish. I hope from this touch where the price is at the moment, I hope it's gonna give us those, or continue with those bearish movements. So ladies and gentlemen, let me move closer to our chart, our price with the candlesticks, so we can tell where we are going exactly. In previous days we had this type of chart. I hope you guys are able to see it, and the market just yesterday managed to break out of the the small diagonal resistance that was inside our bigger chart. Is it counter resistance, counter trend line? Yeah, something like that. Okay, so after breaking out of this, we had a retest and push towards the upside. Now our price is at the major, our bigger trend line, our bigger diagonal resistance, and it seems like it's respecting the area. As you can see, there's a couple of bearish candlesticks right there. As you can see, there's a couple of bearish candlesticks. There's a rejection there. So let's hope when the opening during the opening session our price will push towards the downside. Another thing that I want you to be aware of when our price is pushing towards the downside, I hope you guys will remember that we used to have something like this. This is the area that was respected previously, and this area, it was our strong support, and the price didn't manage to break out of it as we were expecting. But what happened? The price continued to respect the area and push towards the upside. So whenever we are expecting the price to respect this area and flow towards the downside, we should also not forget that there's a strong support zone that we didn't break previously. So we will have to, let's say we place our orders here, our sales orders here. When you sell, we will have to allow our price to go towards the downside or to push towards the downside. When we reach this area, we must be careful. Like, let me use it like this, let me do like this. We should remember that, let's say we place our buys, our sales here just after this candlestick, and here this is where we're gonna place our this is where we're gonna place our stop order. Let's not be too much or too hard, just above the previous turning point. So this will be our target. I hope you guys you understand what I'm trying to say. This we can make it our target so that we can have here we can have a room to breathe, I guess. If the price, I hope you guys are able to see what I'm trying to show you. Let me try to zoom this so that you can be able to see where is my stop zone. So this is my stop zone currently, and now if I place my buys just after this candlestick closes, this bearish candlestick closes, I'm gonna have to wait and see if my price will move along my predictions to reach this price. I don't want to place my take profit right here, because it might not reach it. As much as you can see previously, the price didn't make a U-turn just right at the last previous support, but I will place it just right before this last turning point. I hope you guys are able to understand or able to see what I'm trying to show you. If the price doesn't go my way, I just gave it a room to breathe. I hope whenever it comes closer to this trend line, diagonal trend line, it won't break it, but it will give me my predictions and take profit hit. My target will be reached. So ladies and gentlemen, this is NASDAQ 100. Today I'm promising you nothing but the bearish movements during the opening session. I thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video informative. Please don't forget to click on the like button so that some people can be able to, this video can be able to reach some other people. And please don't forget to subscribe so that our channel can grow and grow bigger. Another thing, there's a small bell there after you subscribe. That one, it will be your reminder or your notification whenever I upload another video. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see each other on the next one.